Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Gumtree. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gumtree.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Gumtree website, where if you haven't logged in or signed up already, in order to create a new account, click on the login/register button at the top right corner. You will then end up within the login page, from which click on register, and now you can either register using your Google or Facebook account or by filling the information. Type in your first and your last name followed by your email address. Then type in your account password and click on the register button. You will then be asked to check the verification link within your email. So just log into your inbox and you will find an email from Gumtree. Open up this email and click on activate your account. And now your account will be activated right away. You can simply enter your email address and your password and click on the login button to proceed with logging in. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Gumtree. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.